It's been more than 3 weeks since Cargill locked out about 1,700 workers. That came after the workers rejected a contract offer from the beef plant.
The union representing those workers in Fort Morgan claims that the company violated federal labor laws, and now it's taken another step in that standoff. Kevin Vaughn from 9 News Investigates joins us now from the newsroom. And Kevin, the union didn't go to court. It went straight to the federal government.
Yeah, Kim and Phil, the union filed a complaint with the National Labor Relations Board. It accuses the company of multiple violations of federal labor law. They've marched outside the beef processing plant on the east side of Fort Morgan and up and down Main Street since contract negotiations broke down.
We're not working, we're not allowed in the building.
Not working because the company locked them out, erecting barriers to keep them off the property. Now Teamsters Local 455 has filed a complaint with the federal government against Cargill, a company with roughly 2,100 workers, by far the largest employer in Morgan County. In a filing with the National Labor Relations Board, the union accused Cargill of 2 specific violations of federal labor law. One is interfering in the rights of workers to collectively bargain, and the other is changing the terms and conditions of employment. How long it will take to resolve this is a guess, said employment attorney Ridge Rath.
It depends. It depends on how negotiations go between the parties. I think usually the way this resolves is when you've got a collective bargaining agreement kind of at the root of all the issue here. That tends to be kind of a global resolution of everything involved. So, there's a chance that they could come to an agreement on the collective bargaining stuff and find a way to factor in the NLRB charges with that and kind of disperse with it all at once.
Since the lockout began, Cargill has been sending cattle to other beef plants to avoid disruptions in its processing. We reached out to Cargill earlier in an effort to get the company's response to the complaint. We have not yet heard back. Reporting live in the newsroom, Kevin Vaughn, 9 News.
Just a little bit of an escalation in this today, Kevin. Everybody just wanting it to end.
Yeah, the sides got together and negotiated a little bit in late May. They did not come up with an agreement, and we don't know of any plans for more negotiations at this point.
And so it continues. Kevin, thank you.